we are doing another day of clean outs. I love to see our clients, and this is a case where we... What up, everyone? Friendly Neighborhood Pond King here. It is that time again. It's clean out time. Yeah, clean out season has begun. So we're gonna take you through what it's like to do a cleaning. We're gonna hopefully show you that you can do it yourself, absolutely. We'll empower you how to do it, but we'll also show you probably why you might wanna hire us too, because a lot of cleanings get dirty. All right, we're all done cleaning our Mini. Didn't take too long. We were able to flush out the water, and we're gonna get the pump up and running here once it's filled again. So we'll show you this little mini waterfall running soon. And then we get to tweak it and make it real pretty.
You betcha.
Hi, Justin.
Hi. Well, vitamin D deprived coming out of winter, and we're in. I mean.
Enjoying us, please hit that subscribe button. It's a free thing to do, and it's a great way to support us. So it's really fun. We're getting better at this process, and we're just really grateful to have a friend in our editor who's telling our story in a great and unique way. Shahi, you're doing wonderful, my friend. I'm really happy to know you. We're really grateful you're on our team, and man, I hope one day we get to travel to Bangladesh, or we get to bring you from Bangladesh here to give you a big hug and say thank you so much for telling our story in such a great way.
I love you 3000.
Remember, Pond King Water Gardens is living works of art, 1 yard at a time, where we focus on gratitude for our career, gratitude for our clients, and focusing on showing people that water features are fun anywhere. Thank you so much. Today, it's spring cleaning again. We're doing number 15 from last year. It's a small deluxe package with the awesome driftwood worked into it. So you kind of get the idea, right? You just put that pump in, drain off the nasty water, pressure wash all your stone, flush out all the stuff down out into the pump so you can get that organic material out, because that's what feeds algae. And then you fill it again, hook up your pumps, and then just enjoy. All right, so we're ready to pressure wash. We'll just turn on the pressure washer. I'm gonna start pressure washing up there, then I will turn on our pump to do our flushing and pressure washing and getting all the sediment down so we can suck it out. It's very clean, so it shouldn't take too long. We're just doing the flushing of some fresh water here, and then we're going to just pump it out. What that does is gets that last little stuff out. In a pondless waterfall, we're not going to really kill off much bacteria because there's not much organics in here. So we're just filling it up a little bit more so that we can do a final flushing out, getting any of the extras we can get out. And then from there, we'll hook up his pumps, and then we'll fill it finally and get it running. As you saw in this drone video, sped up, it was only 15 minutes of hard work of the real working with the pressure washer, getting wet and focusing on where to wash everything, and then doing the flushing. So yes, you can do it yourself. It's simple. It's just not always easy, because you are going to get dirty, and you just have to get out and get doing it, and then you'll be able to do it just fine. And if not, give us a call. All right, everyone, thank you. All right, so one thing we've forgotten to mention to you guys in all these cleanings is before you cover up your top and hide it, plug in your pumps. Check your pumps. This time I did it, so I don't have to take that all apart to make sure I turn the impeller, because sometimes they seize up in the winter. So you definitely want to test those pumps before you hide everything. All right, so it's looking great. We're ready to just plug it in. One last thing is we'll check the lights to make sure we don't have any problems with the lights that we need to come back for, and then it'll be ready to go. This is a feature that Justin and I built. This is actually the first waterfall him and I built together from start to finish. Check this out. We took out an old staircase that was a paver staircase that wasn't being used very much. Took it out and replaced it with this awesome waterfall. So it really is looking good now that it's getting grown in and those rocks are softening. You got some moss coming in and it really looking more and more natural. Justin and I did this one by hand using a ball cart, and everything in the back of an old truck got loaded into the ball cart and wheeled down here. So now we have machines. We're not as young as we once were, and we're grateful for our machinery.
We are going to drink some of the water, right? It's a part of our process.
Yes, that's exactly it. It is a part of the process.
I'll go first?
Yup. I'd love to see our clients, and this is a case where we just about ate it. Oh my gosh, are you okay? What happened?
So when you walk on the rocks, you want to make sure that they're not slippery.
Or stand on the slanted parts, right? Yep. You're normally a cat. You didn't fall though. You did catch yourself. He's a cat. What was I saying? Okay. We love to see all of our clients. We've made relationships with people and cleaned ponds for many, many years that we didn't build. So we built this over 5 years ago. It's gonna run just like the first day we built it, as soon as we have it full, plugged in, and the pump hooked up. If you'd like to become one of our clients, give us a call, and we'll clean your pond all the way into June if you want us to. All right, let's plug it in. So what a cool water feature. Justin and I built that together by hand in the fall of 2013, and it's still running like day one when we plug it in. Almost looks like day one too. I love it. This is a hybrid where we have a little bit of a fountainscape worked into our Pondless Waterfall package.
Great job here, Nick. Great job, Justin.
We're going to Edina, Minnesota next. We'll see you there. Hey, we're in Edina, Minnesota. We're at project number 24 from 2019, which is episode 56. So hit that button right up in here in the card. It'll tell you to follow this link and you'll be able to watch us building this project number 24 here. This is one of my favorite builds yet. Every single one we do turns into my favorite at the time because we keep progressing. This is the last project we had the opportunity to build, and it's really one of my favorites. It's awesome. We'll get to see it up and running. Drop it in. Are you okay? right, so we're just finishing up, and check out this waterfall. Man, I can't wait to show this off once it gets planted. I love the way this turned out. Let's just watch it for a second. We're here at project number 4 of 2019, doing their spring startup. Awesome, love it, love it, love it. This is one of the best clean outs we can do because it's a Pondless Waterfall Deluxe. We gotta get it up and running today. All right, everyone, remember, clean outs are simple, they're just not easy. It's our first medium deluxe waterfall we had the opportunity to create. So I love this one. I'm excited. All right, y'all, here we go. I love Pondless Waterfalls. Isn't that an awesome waterfall? Love the way that turned out. That's our first medium deluxe, and it inspired us to make deluxe packages. All right, so we're at our next cleaning. It's a Pondless Waterfall, our large Pondless Waterfall. We got Parker, the pond prince, excited to get to doing some pressure washing and get to cleaning some ponds. Smell the water, Parker? A little smelly, right?
Get him!
It's not on.
It's the pump. Got all the way to the bottom, so that's how you know the water's drained all the way down.
What's it smell like? All right, we're ready to just about plug it in, Parker. Look at that. How awesome of our customers, huh? They just gave you a new dump truck?
No.
Yeah. Can you say thank you, maybe?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, good. All right, so there's Parker's first spring clean out. Thank you, Parker. You guys see him helping us. And he gets the pressure wash again.
And I'm gonna put some water in it.
All right, so that is our large Pondless Waterfall. We're gonna get it plugged in and turned on here. Check it out. finishing up our second cleaning of the day. It's a Pondless Waterfall. Really excited. It's our large package. But what's really exciting to me is they're giving us an opportunity to turn their front pond into a Pond King water garden. So we're gonna take this out and we're gonna replace it with our small Pondless Waterfall.
We can.
Parker has a vision.
We are going to build the one. It's gonna be. The start's gonna be, and then it's gonna go all the way around, and then it's gonna go that way. Then they can see it.
Nice. We're gonna make sure they can see it from sitting over here too.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna have a waterfall that comes towards us here, and then it's gonna turn in and go down in there.
No.
That'll be a planting area.
We could put waterfall that way, waterfall this way, then waterfall that like this,
Oh.
like this, and then like that.
You see them, don't you?
Like that.
You are an artist, I can tell. All right, so really excited. They said, please give us the next spot in line, which is our 5th spot in line. So stay tuned because we got to turn that around. We got to turn that into an exciting Pondless Waterfall, easy to enjoy. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow us, throw us a like, throw us a comment, let us know what you're liking about it. Let us know if there's something you want to see more of. But otherwise, we're going to get to tearing this one out in about the first week of June, and we can't wait to show you what we turn it into. Make sure to stay tuned, everyone. Thank you. It's your friendly neighborhood Pond King. We are doing another day of cleanouts. It's gonna be a fun day. Sun's shining, it's beautiful out, and we're just doing what we do, is servicing our clients and having fun. We're just getting done finishing up this clean out, and one of the reasons I just want to throw up this quick video is to show you why I really love doing cleanings. When we get to pressure wash these, we get to take all the dirt off of them, and then you get to see the really cool, pretty parts of the rock. So let's go look at some of these cool, pretty rocks, all right? Here at project number 8 from last year. It is a large deluxe system. I'm really excited to be able to clean it and see it. We're gonna get it planted this season for them, so it's gonna really start growing in and looking really more natural. All right, everyone, thanks for following us. We're just gonna do our thing. Another spring cleaning, Pondless Waterfall. Remember, they're simple, it's just not easy. Alright, so that's it. It's the same as cleaning any other Pondless. It's simple, it's just not easy. You can clean your own waterfall. If you have questions about it, you want to send us pictures looking for any advice, if you'd like us to do it, we're happy to do that.
All right, so as you can see, I haven't been able to part with the quarantine beard yet, but one of these days it'll be gone. Anyway, we just got done cleaning this. This is our large deluxe. This is in Otsego, Minnesota. They had a nice little slope here to build with, so we got to carve into the hillside instead of having to build up this time. But you know, looking very clean.
brought in back in 2012 to help with this water feature. It's 2020 now. It's a great little Pondless waterfall with underwater lights. They have a hot tub that sits next to it, and it's just a fantastic little feature. It's actually pretty big. All right, everyone, until update time.
Gotta give a little shout out to Foot Ponds. They recently put together a video on pond cleaning for us. Showed us this cool little technique. It's a good way to do your flushing and getting everything down into the filter so you can flush it out and drain it. So right now we're just using it to collect the last little bit of leaves from this spring cleaning into a little bit of a damming area so we can pull them out by hand. So once we got them in a spot where they're collecting, you'll notice like this, you just scoop out piles with your hands. A lot of times this doesn't smell very good, and that's why people like to hire us, because this is not a very fun job. It is simple, it's just not easy.
I love pond cleaning season. Summer is here and I cannot wait to spend my days building ponds. All right, everyone, we'll talk soon. It's a cool Pondless waterfall built into the hillside that comes right towards the house. We'll be upgrading the pump so it is on a remote control now, and she'll be able to use the remote to adjust the flow rate because it's just a little too loud for her taste now and wants to be able to have control of maybe making it a little quieter. So we're gonna get to busy cleaning like we do. How do we do a clean out? That's right, drop the pump in, drain out the old water, pressure wash, flush everything down, drain it again, fill it with fresh water, hook up the pump, and there you have it. We'll talk soon. So we're all done with the cleaning. It sounds awesome. It's looking really good. I really like the way this naturally feels. Not a pond we built, but it's still cool and still has a huge impact on the house. Look how big this thing is. It's just beautiful. And it's coming right towards the house. There's not a bad view of this from inside the house. I love when that happens. Let's just take a listen to it. See if you can hear the high notes and the low notes. So that's gonna do it for the day for cleanouts. I hope you had fun watching us. And make sure to hit that like button and give us a comment. What did you like about it? Did you see anything you liked while you're watching us today? Hopefully you did. And if you did like it, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can follow us. We put out a new episode once a week, every Saturday morning. So we're not gonna go crazy about sending notifications. Just gonna give you some new fun water feature content every Saturday morning. Thank you. We'll talk soon. Sponsored by Pond King Water Gardens. Living works of art, 1 yard at a time.